What's up, everybody? My name is Johnny Stacks, and I'm coming to you with a GJ breakdown, Great British Pound versus the Japanese Yen. I don't want these videos to be very long, as I plan on dropping some sort of technical analysis on this pair every day, or at least the trading days of the week, as this is my main Forex pair that I do trade and catch pips on the daily. So we're going to go ahead and start with our daily time frame and just give everyone a nice good overview of the way I see the market and my current predictions for price. Here we find ourselves right here around the mid-level of 155. Price has been on a bullish rally all year long. There is no doubt in my mind, as should not be yours, that this is clearly a bullish market and the bulls have been in control. We can go back in the past here and we see that the bulls have been in control literally from the start of the new year, January all the way until now, which is June, the first week of June going into the second week. Now, what makes this analysis so unique is we are seeing a exhaustion of price, okay? Price found support right around the 150 major large quarter point level. And we're seeing price slowly climb up, losing momentum, definitely showing the exhaustion as we move past 155, which is a historical level. We're going to jump to the monthly time frame because the higher the time frame, the stronger the trend / analysis. We clearly see that this is a supply zone. Price heavily interacts in this area and oftentimes results in a reversal. I'm going to go ahead and turn the line chart on so we can see it a lot clearly, and we're going to count out the touches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here we are for the fifth time sitting in monthly supply. I'm definitely expecting some sort of pullback or bearish price action. Not really expecting a full reversal. However, we won't really know until time does go ahead and continue. So let's just analyze our daily time frame structure for a little bit of price action. What we have going on right here is we see a double top that's forming. Specifically, this double top is forming at a psychological level of 155.750 or a midpoint of 155. Now, when I'm looking at this price action, here's my trend line that's dating back from April till now. Price has been respecting this trend line, bouncing to the upside, giving bias to a bullish rally every single time. Now, I'm going to turn on RSI. RSI shows us the relative strength of price, okay? Here we see that price is oversold and we're having massive divergence dating all the way back to February right here. That price has not exceeded the strength of this level, but has still pushed up with price action, but our RSI is showing us divergence to the downside. I'm going to go to my weekly time frame and we see it as well. We see that a higher high was made, high point, higher low, higher high, but on RSI we're seeing higher high, higher low, lower high. This is clear divergence. So it's giving me leeway to bias that we could possibly be seeing some bearish movement come into GJ on a much needed correction after this hell of a bullish run. Now, for prediction wise, I'm definitely don't have too much of a solid prediction until this demand zone is broken, because this is definitely very strong daily demand. But looking at this, what can we see? We see the potential for a head and shoulders pattern if this was leaning in the bias of the bulls. Let's go ahead and grab the draw tool just to draw out the structure, which makes it a lot easier for us. We see price climbed up, made a left shoulder. We have a head right here. Price can flush, retest this zone, come down, and we can get some right shoulder action right here. And then a continued flush, possibly all the way down to the 147,500 area, breaking 150. Now, if 150 is broken, this will definitely be a change in trend, as we all know, or you should know that head and shoulders patterns are market structure reversal patterns giving way to the bearish bias. But if price does hold up here at demand, what we can see is a double bottom. We can see price extend its way through consolidation and indecision, and double bottom right here on top of daily demand and either move sideways or continue its push to the upside, hitting a new price reversal zone of 157,500. Go ahead and leave your comments in the comment section below on what you personally think GJ is going to do. Like I said, currently right now I am still in the bullish bias because we are clearly in an uptrend, and for all of my traders out there, a market structure is king. However, we have a couple of good indicators that we can possibly see a switch in the trend or the bears take control of the market due to this double top that we're seeing in the exhaustion as well as the divergence on RSI. Like, comment, and subscribe for this video if you like this breakdown of GJ, and I'll gladly make more content. Until then, happy trading and stay technical.